Welcome to the HSMS Parent App tutorial. My name is Tendai, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the key features of the app. Let's explore these features so you can easily navigate the Parent app. The HSMS Parent app includes several essential features, such as classwork, attendance, report cards, and fee records. Let's dive in and explore these amazing features. Classwork. On the home page, you'll find the Performance tab. This section shows your child's performance in the selected subject. To view a different subject, tap the icon in the top left corner. This will display a list of subjects your child is studying. Tap any subject to view the performance for that specific subject. Next, you'll see tabs for exercises, homework, and tests. Each tab shows a list of assignments, their marks, comments, and any work files your child has submitted that you can download. Attendance. To view your child's attendance records, select the term you want to review. You'll see a calendar for that term, with the days your child was present highlighted in blue. You can navigate left to view previous months. Report cards. The app allows you to view both termly and monthly report cards. To access the termly report card, go to the Report Card section in the bottom menu, then select the term you want to view. The report includes grades, total marks for each subject, teachers' comments, head of school's remarks, and more. For monthly reports, tap the monthly table, then select the calendar icon to choose the month, and you'll see the detailed report. Now let's look at your child's fee details. Navigate to the School Fees section, where you'll find the Student Ledger. This ledger shows the total balance paid and the amount owed for the entire period your child has been at the school. For term-specific balances, payments, and receipts, simply tap the term and select the payment option to view the payment details. The HSMS Parent app is available on mobile, desktop, and web platforms. Download it today and stay effortlessly connected to your child's progress, no matter where you are or what time it is. Stay informed, engaged, and always in the loop with just a tap.